This is about the power of partnerships, what happens when you bring institutions together with community, with the public sector and private sector and community agencies, and the magic that can be created through that.
What we stand for, first and foremost, is being able to provide opportunities to different children and youth that wouldn't otherwise have those access to. So building thriving communities by empowering lives.
Through this partnership, we're investing in young people who may not ordinarily access post-secondary, and we're changing the lives of the young people and the communities that they live in. George Brown Partnerships has actually allowed us to offer high-quality training and connect our residents to resources that they wouldn't otherwise be able to access.
The people you meet and the stories you hear are not in the policy books. They are making the policy books. And we're breaking the cycle of poverty, hopefully the cycle of violence for some. We're just breaking the cycle. Those programs, when they work, that is what happens.